What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. If a little sideways action scares you away, then you don't deserve to get paid. If a little sideways action scares you away, then you don't deserve these gains. Today is January 14th, 2022. As always, guys, we are here to get this crypto money and make these gains. Welcome to my channel. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Today, the coin that we will talk about is a project called Alien Worlds. So what exactly is Alien Worlds? This is the Coinmarketcap definition of this project. Alien Worlds is a decentralized, non-fungible token NFT metaverse where players compete for scarce resources, Trilium, TLM, in a simulated economy centered around planetary worlds. Due to this, Alien Worlds also has a decentralized finance DeFi element to the game, as players advance by staking TLM and using TLM to vote in Planet Decentralized Autonomous Organizations DAOs. Play to earn P2E NFT games have seen an exponential rise in popularity and value this year. Alien Worlds allow the players called explorers to earn monetary rewards through gameplay or participation in Planet DAOs. By mining in Alien Worlds, a user is rewarded with the native in-game currency Trilium TLM or NFT packs. Players can stake TLM to boost their rewards or battle with other users for NFTs. To date, Alien Worlds has established a fair amount of its roadmap, having TLM on Binance Launchpad and farming period of TLM on Binance Launch Pool. A large portion of game developments have been forked as well. Moving forward, Alien Worlds aims to automate the claiming process of data allocation to landowners in the game. Artifacts NFTs are soon to be released, and future plans include NFT interoperability. Now, on CoinMarketCap, they also talk about who are the founders of Alien Worlds. So it says that the game is developed by German developers Dacoco GmbH, sorry if I mispronounced that, who have created 3 projects to date. Alien Worlds was created in 2020. Dacoco is based in Zug, Switzerland, which is deemed as Switzerland's crypto valley due to the number of blockchain and crypto companies based there. They claim to be decentralized autonomous community organization experts and also act as a guild validators on Wax. Now, when you come to CoinMarketCap and you look at the listing of Alien Worlds, currently it's ranked at number 336. It's on 141,572 people's watch list. Current price is 17 cents and it's been down 0.04% in the past 24 hours. The market cap is currently at 162 million. Circulating supply is currently at 914 million. It's under the collectibles and NFTs and gaming category. Now, looking at its all-time high, the all-time high was actually back on April 11, 2021, 9 months ago, at $7.19. That is ridiculous. But guys, that was when price was actually launched. All right, so it got launched around April. Price, it looks like it was like around $1.68 when it got launched, and price pumped up. But since then, price has plummeted. Basically, people got in at an early stage. I don't know if they had a pre-sale or ICO or anything like that, but most likely what happened is people got in at a very cheap price. Price pumped up as it got listed on new exchanges, and they sold for profit. And unfortunately, as you know, 2021, there's been so much FUD and attack against crypto. So it's been hard for a lot of projects to build momentum and to grow. But guys, overall, as you can see, Alien Worlds, despite the drop from its initial price when it was recently launched back in early April, when you look at the 1-year chart, you can see that pretty much price pumped up when it dropped. It pumped up from finding a bottom around the 27 cents, going up to reaching around 77 cents back in May 3rd, 2021, then dropping again. As we know, we had a lot of FUD in the market, moving sideways, and throughout all that period, there was a lot of FUD. Price went down to like 9 cents, and it's been slowly trying to climb back up. Like it reached from 9 cents to 32 cents. But as you all know the story, crypto has been under attack. So it's been hard for a lot of projects to build momentum. But this project right here is one of those long-term projects. We know how good NFTs and gaming projects have done in 2021 and will continue to do. Now, looking at the exchanges it's on, it is on Binance. That alone tells you how big this project is, how undervalued it is, and how much opportunity it has to grow. It's on Binance, it's on Kucoin, Gate.io, Bittrex, LBank, Bitmark, HitBTC, Hotbit, and a lot of exchanges. Now, looking at the socials, always look at the socials, guys. Make sure to look at the socials. Look at their Twitter page, Reddit, Telegram, Discord. Google the projects, Google the founders. Find out as much information as you can before you invest your hard working dollars into any project. So looking at the socials, there's the Twitter page. You can see they have tweets from 7 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 12 hours ago, January 12th, 22 hours ago. So overall, the team's very active on Twitter. It's very important to look at the Twitter page, the Reddit page, because you want to find out latest news, latest developments, latest exchange listings, and any and every information that you can about each and every project that you're interested in. Now, right here is the Ether scan. So currently there are 3,139 addresses that currently have this project. This is also the BSC scan. Currently 89,862 addresses currently have this project, and as you can see, the numbers have been growing and growing and growing. So more and more people are getting interested in. And looking back at Coinmarketcap, you see how big the watch list is, and look at the volume. It's at 48.7 million. So there's a lot of interest, a lot of trading, a lot of activity on this project. Now, right here is going to be a demo trailer. Let me play it for you guys.
Pandemics raged across the planet. Humankind desperately searched for an escape. A ray of hope came from the Federation, the world's most advanced Bitcoin mining community. Engineers analyzing the algorithms discovered patterns of hidden messages sent from an unknown civilization far from their known universe. Once deciphered, these messages formed a map leading them to a wormhole and a chance of salvation. A brave crew of volunteers ventured into the wormhole and were catapulted to a distant metaverse. Within this interstellar network, the pioneers discovered exoplanets that were inhabitable and began to build a new civilization. The pioneers strove to build a new fair economy. Everything was tokenized, from the tools and weapons they forged, to the land they claimed, and their avatars that walked it. More explorers arrived at the frontier to seek their fortunes in Trilium. Some became landlords, renting space for construction projects and entrepreneurs. Others extracted Trilium from deep within the mines. The bravest adventurers competed in quests for hidden treasures. The Federation sent supplies to support their heroes. And today, 6 planets stand at the frontier of the new Federation of Alien Worlds. Untold riches are waiting in the prospering metaverse, where real and virtual worlds collide. How will you make your fortune?
So that was dope. That was nice. I like that trailer. Now, right here is actually their YouTube page. Currently has 7.48 thousand subscribers. I will put a link to the YouTube page, the trailer, and everything that I discussed in this video, so you guys can check out their YouTube page and find out more about this project. Now, you guys remember the Coinmarketcap description talked about who are the founders, and it mentioned that the game is developed by German developers Dacoco. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Now, right here is their website. So you come to their website. It talks about is a project founded out of experience gained by establishing EOS DAC, one of the largest DACs by market capitalization and membership, and one of the most established DACs in the ecosystem. In 2020, the team conceived of and developed Alien Worlds, the first project to put DACs into competition with each other within a single economy. So this is some of their projects. So as you see, Alien Worlds right here, and these are some of their partners, as you can see. Now, more about the company. So currently they are located in Switzerland, and according to here, they have 3 employees and they have generated over 379,503 in sales. These are employees, and sales figures are modeled. Now, I don't know when is the last time that the amount of revenue has been updated, but as you can see from here, this is the dnb.com information about them. So right here is some of the contacts, as you can see. So all legit people. This is estimated sales, and this is based on Switzerland's data. Now I'll put a link to that. Here is another thing that I found. So this was the trademark registration for Alien Worlds. So it was registered on January 9th, 2021. It's currently active, the trademark number. So more example of why this project is so legit, and there are legit people behind it. They have the trademark to Alien Worlds. That's very important, especially in the gaming industry for long term. So this is their Crunchbase profile for Dacoco. Sorry if I mispronounced it. So based on Crunchbase, they have a total funding amount of 2 million. Crunchbase has 4 employees and 11 investors. So right here, same names that we saw previously. And based on here, the last funding that they did was they participated in the initial coin offering, where they had 10 people invest in them. They also had a venture round where 1 investor invested. So from the 10 investors that they got from the initial coin offering, this was actually back on March 22nd, 2021, they raised $2 million. So as you can see, looks like some of their investors right here. Now, this is their actual LinkedIn page. So this is their LinkedIn page. They are the publisher of Alien Worlds. And now, as you can see, they have over 11 employees on LinkedIn that have them listed as their employer. So here are some of the employees right here. Now you come to the website. This is the actual website of Alien World. Seek your fortune. Find NFTs you can use to connect and play with others. Earn Trilium that gives you power in the Planet Decentralized Autonomous Organization, Planet DAOs, where much of the action happens. Now let's continue through the website. So as we continue, this website, it looks extremely cool, very futuristic. It reminds me of UFOs, it reminds me of space. It makes sense. That is the theme of aliens, and it goes with the name, Alien Worlds. So this is some of the basics about the game. Talk about the NFTs that they have, Trilium, art history and lore. Here is looking at the DApp ranking. So first in DApp games by 30-day users. That is an amazing accomplishment. So there's a lot of people playing this game. There's a lot of people that are loving this game. Lifetime of total miners, you can see it's just climbing and climbing. A lot of people are loving this game. So like I mentioned, this is some other social networks that you guys can check out when you come to the website and get the links to this. And this is the breakdown of the tokenomics, as you can see. All right. So this is where they've been featured on, the different websites that they've been featured on, and their different partners. Binance, very important. And right here, let's look at none other than their roadmap. So right here is their roadmap, as you can see. Show it to you guys. These are some of the things that they've completed, and this is what they have at near term. So Nebula events and other quests. They got landowner specific NFT mining incentives, interactive storyline events, and cross promotions with other games and NFTs. This is what they also have coming soon. Galaxy future plans. So I will put a link to this, you guys can check it out. Also, this is their Instagram. So they have over 13,000 followers on Instagram. There's their page right here. I'll put a link, you guys can follow them and check them out. Now this is their Reddit page. So this, I found 2 Reddit pages. This is one of them. This one, Alien Worlds IO, it has 4.8 thousand members. Always look at the Reddit pages of any project that you're investing in. Some of them are not going to have it when they're new, but always try to find the Reddit pages, because why? Reddit pages is the community. You can ask for help for any questions that you're having. They also are there with the one goal in mind, and that is to land on the moon. So you'll find out latest developments, latest updates, certain things that you won't even find out through Twitter. The Reddit pages will have. So as you see, fairly active. 21 hours ago the last post, 4 days ago, 4 days ago, 6 days ago, 7 days ago. And I also found this Reddit page. I'm not sure what the difference is, but this is Alien Worlds official. This one has 4.9 thousand members. So same thing, as you can see, very active on Reddit. So always check out the Reddit pages. You can learn more about the project and what they're about. Now, this was a cool article that I found. It was actually written by CoinDesk. So there's some of the pictures of the game's graphics, as you can see. So this was an actually interview that they had with the co-founder. So it starts off with Inside Alien Worlds, the biggest game in the metaverse. The co-founder of Alien Worlds says the popular blockchain game is more than play to earn. It helps educate people on crypto, governance, and strategy. I'm not going to read the entire thing. I'll just read a little bit of it, but I'll put a link to it. You guys can actually check it out for yourself. So it starts off with Alien Worlds is the fastest growing game in blockchain and one of the biggest dApps overall, according to dApp Radar. 2 of its co-founders are, I don't want to mispronounce her name, but I think it's Sarogina. Sorry if I mispronounce it. McKenna and Michael Yates. Sorry if I mispronounced that too. Who both worked on the EOS blockchain previously. They were part of the team that worked closely with micronation Liberland. Their work with Liberland, a tiny 8 square kilometer nation on the banks of Danube River, was to examine how to install a system of governance on one the world's newest nations using blockchain and the concept of Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or a DAO. Now they are taking the knowledge to the metaverse in the guise of a game. So this one, it just goes into more details about what exactly Alien Worlds is. So I'll put a link to it. It's very cool to read this article, and most importantly, This was written by CoinDesk. This is one of the most popular websites in crypto to check out latest news, latest articles. So guys, this is a good thing. You want your projects to have articles written by CoinDesk about them. This opens up a lot of eyes and catches a lot of people's attention because this website is visited a lot, and also you learn more about the founder. So I'll put a link to it. This is her picture right here. So Miss McKenna, co-founder of Alien Worlds. This is her right here. So, and she goes more into details about the project. So I'll put a link to it. Now, this is also an interview that I found. This article is basically recapping the written version of the interview. I'll show you guys the video version of it. So this is actually the video. I will put a link to it. You guys can check it out. I'll show a little bit of it to you, but for you guys that want to just read it, you can actually read it, but I recommend that you read both and watch the video too. So we have over 2.2 million lifetime players and over 220,000 players per day. A lot of people are loving this project. You can tell just by the watch list on Coinmarketcap, the amount of crazy, ridiculous volume is getting, even though the crypto space is moving sideways and is kind of boring right now. So I will put a link to it. I'm not going to go through it because it's going to make the video too long, but you guys can check it out. And I'm going to show you guys a video right here. Just a little bit of it.
Thank you for tuning in to this season of CGC. I'm Joe Tagaragis from eGamers.io, and today with me is Sarah McKenna, co-founder of Alien Worlds. She's a visionary and an early adopter of DAO, Decentralized Autonomous. That's a lot of players. I mean, even if you combine all the games below that, they might not reach that number. So we are talking about a lot of players here.
Yeah, I think the gameplay that we have out right now, which is mining and staking, so when people use their NFTs to mine for fungible.
Alright, so I will put a link to the video. You guys can check it out. Shout out to the YouTuber. It's on his channel. I will put a link to it. Guys, it's very important whenever you're investing in a project to look at videos to find out as much information. It's always cool to listen to these AMAs. You find more details about the project and the founders who are behind the project, more details about their background and where they came from and how they started the project. Now, this is another video that I found. It was actually a question interview style video. Shout out to this YouTuber right here. It's on his channel. It's an interview with the other co-founder that I showed you guys, who's Michael Yates. Sorry if I mispronounced his name. So I'll play a little bit of it.
So without further ado, let's hop into it. Understandable. Okay, we have a lot of stuff to hop into today. Thanks for being here. I see the viewers are starting to pile in, so let's hop right into it. I hear we have some exciting news to share in today's interview, including the cost of shining being reduced starting tomorrow. Can we elaborate a bit on that?
Long time ago, and that's changed a little bit recently. So
Just a bit.
yeah, so we had a lot of feedback that these prices were just.
Alright, so I will put a link to the video and you guys can check it out. I just want to show you guys a little bit of it so you can see his face. Now, let's do some technical analysis. Alright, so looking at the TA, do you guys see what I see? Yes, the project has been on a downtrend. I'm looking at the Kucoin chart, the daily chart. It's been on a downtrend. The purple lines are level support and resistance, and the yellow line is just a trend line. As you can see, since end of November, it's been on a downtrend. It was going up prior to end of November, but it's been on a downtrend. Why is that? As you guys know, the entire crypto space has been going down. So right now, this is an opportunity, guys. Don't look at it as a negative thing. Look at it as a great opportunity to accumulate your favorite projects for the long term that have bright futures ahead of them. So right now, zooming in a little bit, you can see that the project went down because also around this time, Bitcoin was crashing and there's so much FUD in the market. We didn't have a Santa rally. Santa disappointed us, but that's okay. It moved sideways, finding a level of support right here, but unfortunately it broke it again. And it's been moving sideways. Hopefully it doesn't break this level of support. Who knows, anything is possible, but so far for the past couple days it's been maintaining this level of support. And as you guys know, Bitcoin looks like it's getting ready to try to pump up a little bit. So if it does, expect this price to go up a little bit more and try to retest this level of resistance right here at 21 cents and ultimately try to break higher. Now guys, things will come back. You just got to be patient, have diamond hands, invest in projects that have strong potentials, that are great for long-term investments, and just give the projects and the team the time to develop, and most importantly, give the crypto space time to bring momentum back and attract the retail investors. So with that being said, let's do some more technical analysis. Now back on Coinmarketcap, we saw that the price is currently at 17 cents, 17.1782. Market cap is currently at 162.8 million. So with that being said, let's say being conservative. So with that being said, since this project is on Binance and it's on Kucoin, which are major exchanges, you can see that this project, it was actually at like 687.95 million in market cap back on May 3rd, 2021. It reached even higher, but that was actually when it first got launched. So it reached a market cap of around 680 million, right? So that means $1 billion market cap, once momentum comes back into the market, is not out of the picture. So if this project were to reach $1 billion market cap, being conservative, $1 billion divided by the 162.8, that will be roughly around 6x from here. So 6x times the $100 investment, you would make around 614. Now the project is on Binance Kucoin and it's still a growing project with more room to grow. Let's say that it were to reach $10 billion in market cap. That's very realistic. Look at the ranking. It's on Binance Kucoin. Look at the volume. It's part of NFTs, gaming. That is very possible. So let's say $10 billion in market cap. 10 billion divided by 162.8. That is essentially 61x. 61x times the $100 investment. That would be 6,142. And guys, we've seen the performance of gaming projects in 2021. A $10 billion market cap is very realistic for this project, and surpassing a $10 billion market cap is very realistic. And keep in mind, as more money flows into crypto, guys, $1 billion market cap, $10 billion market cap in the next few years, as long as you invest in legit projects that are going to grow and be around for long term, that amount in market cap might seem like a lot right now. In the next few years, as more money flows into crypto, it's not going to be that much. So this project is a part of gaming. As we know, gaming industry, $1 billion industry that always does well, especially in the crypto space. It's a part of NFTs, a new industry, growing industry, part of the Metaverse. Guys, it's knocking off all the requirements to be a project that is great for the long term. Not financial advice, only invest what you're willing to lose. But this one right here is a great long-term investment that I recommend that you guys look into. And with that being said, I am out.